Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Royal Bank of Canada customer service. First, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top, there's this address bar. Type down Royal Bank of Canada and enter it. From here, you need to go to this Welcome to RBC Personal Banking from Royal Bank Canada. And over here, once inside this home page, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from the customer service, you can also apply online branch and ATM locator. Here, you can simply open to this branch and ATM locator. And from here, you can simply find a branch or ATM near you. What you need to do is in the left hand side, there's this icon search. What you need to do is you need to type down the location here and search for it. Then after that, you can find available banks here. Or if you need more help, what you can do is you need to go back and scroll all the way to the bottom here. And there's this phone number here. You can simply contact to this number. And before contacting customer service number, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.